it's King Nick here, and we are going to open a box. I have no idea where it's from, what's inside it, and I just want to see.
Okay, so this is a back to school shopping kind of early birthday package. Now turn it over and read where it's from. Out loud.
Unspeakable Gaming.
Okay, you can open it. Gently. You gotta open it all the way like a knife.
I know him.
Okay, stop. Mama's gonna do it. Here, you can talk.
Hello.
All right, wait. Don't open it yet. Okay, go ahead.
In the world? What's this? Ah, the squishy! This is very hot.
Well, it was outside in the mailbox.
Yay! What is that? It smells like laundry detergent or something.
Well, better that than something else.
Yeah.
What else you got?
What? I got pencils and pads. Finally! I got a pop socket. I got
Open it.
some bag.
Open it.
Ugh.
Some bag.
Some bag.
What is it? Open it up.
Oh.
Show us.
Hello. Whoa, this is very big. Backpack.
Oh, just in time for school.
No.
What'd you drop?
A shirt? Oh.
What? Let me
It's
see.
kind of damp. What's your favorite shirt?
It's probably just from being outside. Look at you. What else? I see more in the bag.
I got a picture. Signed picture? What? No. Where did you go? Two signatures? What? I will be right back.
Where are you going? Nicholas. Oh, see. Hey,
This was my mom's old phone.
why don't you do that after?
Okay.
What else you got there?
I got,
Pencils?
yeah.
They change color,
What?
or they should. I think I got color changing ones.
How do I do it?
Oh, you know what? They already did change color. They're supposed to be black, but it's because it's so hot out in Houston. Where are you going? You're
I
traveling,
think we could have just went to his workshop.
right?
Yeah. Goodbye. Thank you.
You're welcome. You love it?
Yes. He's my favorite YouTuber. I can't get this off.
All right, say bye to your fans.
Bye to my fans.